In this video, I will share how can you get started with text-to-speech in Python. So for that, the very first thing we need is to import the package. So let's go ahead and say import pytts x3, where py is for Python, tt is for text-to-speech, and x stands for version. So once the package is imported, we need to initialize the handler. So let me create a variable named tts handler and say init. So this function will initialize the handler for us. So I will quickly copy this variable over here because we need to reuse it, and then we will call save function. So in this save function, whatever you will type, it will just read aloud for you. So I will say I can speak, and then we will say run and wait so that this can execute the save function. Let me quickly run it and see how it goes.
Wow, I can speak.
So you have seen that just by writing few lines of code, we can get started. Now there are many things we can do using this package, which I will be sharing with you in my upcoming videos. I hope you enjoyed this short video, and thanks for watching.